In the realm of technological innovation, Apple never ceases to surprise us with their cutting-edge creations. Today, we delve into the extraordinary features of a spatial computing device that's redefining the boundaries of digital interaction, the Apple Vision Pro. The Apple Vision Pro seamlessly integrates digital content with the physical world, creating a bridge between the tangible and the virtual. This spatial computing device is equipped with advanced cameras and sensors, capable of capturing the intricacies of your surroundings with remarkable detail. Whether you're exploring an architectural model or immersed in a virtual game, these high-precision tools bring your digital experiences to life. At the heart of the Apple Vision Pro are its micro OLED displays. These tiny yet powerful screens deliver crisp, vibrant visuals, rendering every pixel with stunning clarity. From the intricate lines of a blueprint to the vivid hues of a virtual sunset, the micro OLED displays encapsulate a world of detail within their compact form. Yet what's a visual feast without an auditory symphony to match? The Apple Vision Pro features spatial audio, providing an immersive audio environment that complements the visual experience. Spatial audio allows you to perceive sounds from all directions, creating a comprehensive sensory experience. Whether you're listening to the subtle rustle of leaves in a virtual forest or the roar of a spaceship in a sci-fi game, spatial audio makes it feel as if you're truly there. Beyond its technical prowess, the Apple Vision Pro also offers a variety of accessories for a personalized fit. These ensure that your device feels comfortable and secure, allowing you to engage with your digital content without any distractions. The Apple Vision Pro serves as a personal theater, gaming console, and camera for capturing spatial photos and videos. With this device, you can enjoy your favorite movies in an immersive setting, engage in riveting 3D gaming experiences, or capture your surroundings in a whole new dimension. But the Apple Vision Pro isn't just about individual experiences. It supports collaboration through FaceTime, allowing you to share your virtual experiences with others, regardless of their location. This opens up a world of possibilities for remote work, virtual meetings, and shared digital experiences. Powering all these features is a new spatial operating system, Vision OS. This innovative platform takes spatial computing to a new level, offering a user-friendly interface and a plethora of apps and tools designed specifically for the Apple Vision Pro. In summary, the Apple Vision Pro is a marvel of modern technology, combining advanced cameras and sensors, micro OLED displays, and spatial audio to create immersive digital experiences. It offers a variety of personalized accessories, serves as a personal theater, gaming console, and spatial camera, and supports collaboration through FaceTime. All these features are powered by the innovative Vision OS, making the Apple Vision Pro a game changer in the realm of spatial computing. So, as we move forward into a future where the digital and physical worlds intertwine, the Apple Vision Pro stands as a beacon of innovation, redefining what's possible in the realm of spatial computing.